you. If you thought June was a hot one, well, it was. In fact, we saw 24 days with above normal high temperatures, only 4 days with those below seasonal temperatures, and 2 days in that average high mark. So altogether for the month of June, we saw an average high temperature of around 84 degrees. That's about 2 degrees above normal for the month. And I went back and I looked at all the data for all of the Junes on record, and it turns out that this June was the 4th hottest on record with the high temperature, average temperature around 84 degrees. Normally for the 1st of July, our daytime high should be around 89 degrees. That record 96 degrees set back in 1998. So for today, we're going to be a little bit above that normal high temperature. We're going to reach the low 90s this afternoon. Stuart, you'll reach 92 degrees. West Palm Beach at 92 degrees. Boca Raton 93. But again, with that humidity, it's going to feel even hotter. So we're talking upper 90s to triple digits throughout the afternoon. Here's what we have going on. We have a ridge of high pressure that's over Cuba right now. We've got this offshore flow developing, so that's going to heat things up throughout the afternoon. And high pressure is going to be with us through the work week, which means those temperatures, they're going to be pretty toasty all through the weekend here. So we're looking at low 90s as we head into the next 5 days or so above that seasonal mark for this time of year. We could also see some rain coming on in. Vibercast does show some rain starting to develop later in the afternoon. So maybe around 4 or 5 o'clock this evening around the Treasure Coast, that rain pushing south into about St. Lucie County around 5:30 this evening. Then as we head into the 7 o'clock hour, you can see that rain continuing to push south into Martin County, with that rain pushing into Palm Beach County around maybe 8, 9 o'clock tonight. So it's kind of going to be a late start to that rain activity. If you live in West Palm Beach, you'll probably hear that rain as you're about to head to bed tonight. Tropical update, we are pretty quiet for the start of the second month of hurricane season. You can see the Gulf, not much activity there. Caribbean and Bahamas, always quiet there. And across the Atlantic, seeing dry conditions. We still have this Saharan dust layer overhead, and that is suppressing any tropical development. Once again, the beach conditions, not bad. Low to moderate risk for lightning if we do see those thunderstorms develop, and boating conditions pretty good today too, with seas just 1 to 2 feet. So 92 this afternoon, low 90s will stay with us through the weekend here. Best chance for rain is going to be on Wednesday, but 4th of July, it's going to be pretty hot. 92 degrees, only a 20% chance for rain.